Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to snap yourself on Snapchat. So watch this video till the end. Snapping yourself isn't any different than snapping your friends on Snapchat. Sending snaps or chats to oneself is as simple as sending them to any other body. Snapping yourself is also a simple way to increase your Snapchat points. So let's see how to send a snap to yourself. Firstly, open your Snapchat. Click on the camera button to take a snap. Now tap on the Send to button and search for your username in the search bar at the top of your screen. Then select your name by tapping on it. And finally tap on the right arrow icon. You'll see that your snap has arrived. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.